Hey guys, so I am picking up where I left off, which was unfortunately last week. I got sick, and then it's just been been crazy. What I have right here is kind of the basic setup for an HTML file. This is in Visual VS Code. Go ahead and minimize that so you can just see the whole screen. And my recommendation as we go along is you see how these have numbers? Follow along on the placement with the numbers as where I have it. For example, the body, this body tag right here, I have it on number 11, line 11. I recommend you putting it on line 11 as well. And that's going to help as we progress. And whenever I can refer to a certain line number, yours will match. That's kind of a little quick tip on that. So that's my Tipsy Tuesday because today's Tuesday. Yes, it is. Okay. So follow along the lines. That's my Tipsy Tuesday. Anyway, so getting back to this, there are two parts to an HTML file. There's the head, which we're not going to focus on today, and then there's the body. Okay. The body is the content of the web page. It's what you see. The head doesn't have much of what you see, but it has some of the styling, and you'll see as we progress. Like there's the body tags, and that tells the browser that this is going to be the body content of it. So that's one kind of tag. Other kinds of tags that we're going to focus on today are the head tags. And what you can see is there's 6 sizes for headers. And so you would just H1. And let's see. So this is heading size 1. Let's see. I want to move this up here just so you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay. And then we can look at the other one. There's H2. The heading size 2. H3. Heading size 3. And some of these extra spaces that I'm putting in here is just my personal preference. The web browser doesn't really read spaces like this. Like it can be like all the way over here. It doesn't matter. It'll read it. It doesn't acknowledge the spaces in there. It is just for the purpose of easier reading. And I'm just going to leave that right there so you can see that it doesn't make a difference. And this is the last default heading size 6. Okay. So we got the headings, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the preview, and I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. Maybe might be launching the preview if it works. Looks like it's thinking right now. It's thinking. Okay. Son of a gun. It's activating extensions, so evidently it's running a little slow. Okay, there we go. Multiple times over. Yeah, Firefox. Okay. It's trying to open up in Firefox and it's trying to open it here. I'm just being very impatient, obviously. So I have the preview open. So you can see the heading size 1, heading size 2, heading size 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. They're all various sizes. The 1 is the largest size, and the 6 is the smallest size. And this is default into any browser that you open up. These are the sizes that it's going to look like. So you would use it like you would use any kind of heading. Stop the email. And another one pops up. Stop that. Okay. And another one. Stop that. So that's heading. The other part that I want to focus on today is the paragraph. P indicates it's a paragraph, and I'm going to write this is a paragraph. I spelled paragraph right? Nope. Okay, and then I Control S to save it, and it types it out as a paragraph. And you can see that the font is like bolder. You can see obviously it's larger, but it's kind of bolder or stronger than what the paragraph is. So those are the two things I kind of wanted to focus on tonight. Two, the components that can go inside of the body. The ones that are most often used are the headings and the paragraph. And that's all I'm going to focus on today, again, because these are bite-sized tips. And you guys have a wonderful evening.